Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a bike check, so yeah, let's get started. On the top we got some ODI and long neck grips, just the normal ones, not super soft or anything. Odyssey, par ends, really good, love them. Second part of my bike is Ezra bars with a profile racing sticker. Got a Snafu Miracle stem. Next, I got a Demolition integrated headset. Subrosa forks. I don't know what kind specifically. Something I'm not too proud about is I got Mongoose front tire and back, but Mongoose tire, Shadow little ones, pegs. I got Sun rim, and if I could get it, got a DK Macho front hub. It's pretty old, but still works. Second part of my bike, I guess, is one thing is really, I just really love it, is my Shadow Conspiracy Penumbra pivotal seat. Kink seat post, really nice. Got fit cranks. I painted them green, but then I painted them black. I got Eclat PC pedals, really nice pedals. Love them. They're really thin, which I like in pedals. Any normal pedal. Last part, I got another Mongoose tire. Shadow Conspiracy, little ones pegs. Stolen revolver, whole back wheel. Nothing special about this. Stolen, everything's not custom in the back. Stolen. So, and last but not least, I got the Kink Gap frame. Don't know what year it is, but I know I haven't made a video in a while, so I decided to make a bike check. Here it is. So I guess that's it. Very much. Stay tuned. Watch my videos. Comment, rate, subscribe. See you later.